In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in a high school math class. Whether you're a teacher looking to introduce some interactive and innovative techniques to your curriculum, or a student aiming to enhance your learning experience, ChatGPT can be a remarkable tool to assist you. We'll go through some easy steps to get you started and show you how to make the most out of this AI. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser and head over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. This will bring up a number of search results, and you'll want to click on the ChatGPT website link. If you have trouble finding it, you'll usually see it among the top results, given its popularity. This is the step where the magic begins as we navigate to the platform that serves as our AI companion. Now that you're on the ChatGPT site, it's time to think about what you want to achieve. Let's start with an example prompt designed for teachers. You could ask ChatGPT to design an interactive classroom activity for middle school students to explore and apply the properties of similar and congruent shapes through hands-on learning. Type this prompt into the space provided and then hit Submit. This is a great way to generate unique lesson ideas that can keep your students engaged and excited about learning math. Students, you'll find this just as beneficial. Head over to the search bar on the ChatGPT platform if you want to tackle some specific challenges. For instance, you might type in a prompt that asks ChatGPT to write 3 basketball-themed real-world word problems that require using trigonometric functions and provide a step-by-step solution for each. This is not only a creative way to practice, but also helps in binding theoretical knowledge with practical applications, making learning more fun and less daunting. Once you've entered your prompt, click the Submit button to see the results generated by ChatGPT. You'll be surprised to find how detailed and structured the responses are, often providing comprehensive explanations and step-by-step solutions to problems posed. This can be a powerful tool for both teaching diverse topics and reinforcing student understanding. With these steps, using ChatGPT as a teaching aid in a high school math class or as a tool for self-study becomes straightforward and incredibly rewarding. The flexibility ChatGPT offers in creating custom educational experiences is unmatched, making it an invaluable asset in the modern classroom. Remember to experiment with different prompts and see how ChatGPT can assist with various aspects of math learning and teaching. Whether it's generating new ideas, simplifying complex theories, or offering practice problems, ChatGPT is there to help guide you through your math journey.